In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is change of character in trading. Overall, going to cover everything in terms of what is change of character in actually change of character in forex, and actually explain a little bit more in also what's the change of character like overall. This is going to be a very simple video, and it's obviously for beginners and for the intermediates. So you're going to walk out of this video with a clear understanding of what this is once and forever. And I'm going to keep it very simple. Now, first thing on the list, okay, number one that you need to know is that change of character is nothing but more than just a price break. And I'm going to give you a very simple tip at the end of the video, so make sure to keep watching till the end, okay? So you don't have to actually just make this thing complicated, but just to give you a little like this an understanding. If I come in here, and also I'm gonna also pull out the chart later just to show you a better example with live data, not just these drawings. But I'm pretty much sure that that you have already seen some of these drawings. Okay, just so I can explain it to you. Pretty much a change of character is when the price shifts. So it was going bearish. Okay, it was going bearish here. Like this. So we have a decent understanding that this is the trend. Okay, it's going down, yada yada yada. You know, trends don't actually just move like that. But okay, the price is going down. So next, what is a change of character? It's pretty much when the price shifts the first time. This is pretty much when the price actually tries to break the trend. But most of the time, like when this stuff happens, maybe the price is going to continue and the trend is going to continue to go down. And this is just the reality, right? But before I get into it, the most simple thing that you can actually keep in mind is a change of character is just the price shifting. Okay. More likely than not, and what I actually did at the beginning in my 3 year journey in this, okay, I have seen all the stuff. And for me, a change of character is not going to be only one break, but it's going to be the second break also, right? When the price breaks two times, this is when the price actually tries, and this is a big, the chance is far better than actually for the price to actually start to shift the trend. Because as I said at the beginning, most of the times, what you're going to get the price to actually shift one time and then continue for it to continue to deliver lower. When it has two breaks, more likely than not, going to continue with its own trend. So change of character, a lot of people are going to say that this is only one break right here, but a lot of those people are not profitable and they're just watching what other YouTubers are telling them. Again, over the last 3 years, I've seen all the stuff out there, okay, and I can definitely say that nobody has done 14,000 prediction videos like I've done and actually tested it. Okay, I've tested a lot of strategies and I have the results to back it up, right? Now, with that, okay, this is a change of character when there is a two breaks, but just to make things like very simple, you don't even have to call it like change of character, and then you have break of structure. Okay, after the second break, then this starts to become the change of character. Actually, the break of structure here with this. Okay, this starts to become the break of BOS, the break of structure, just the price continuing to break with its trend. But so you don't have to actually be confused. Okay, well, when is the first break? When is the second break? And all of this. I have a very simple system. And that simple system is just throw out the change of character or break of structure, whatever you call them. Okay, just throw them out, and all you're gonna focus is just break. Okay, shifts, and I mean you can call it break, right? I usually just call it shift of price, but pretty much no COTS, right? COCH, no BOS. We have also the break of structure, right? People, I'm pretty sure you have seen people just over here. They have their whole chart with lines actually just being like, okay, here is the BOS, and then just have the whole chart marked up with BOS. This is how you know that the guy is noob, okay? If you see a guy just marking his whole chart with BOS and CHOCH, then you know that that guy is a noob and probably just stay away. So the it's the same exact thing but reversed. Obviously, you it's the same exact thing. Pretty much This is what a lot of you have seen, okay? But if you're trying to just confirm a shift of trend, you minimum need two breaks. Because again, most of the time, what you're gonna see happening is this: the price just maybe breaks one more time, and then from here continues to go lower. Just forget about that, right? If you're a real trader, you're gonna understand that it's not like price just it's not like the price moves like this. This binary breaks and shifts. It really does not. Okay, so for me, like, and even for you, to make things very simple, all I want you to focus is not change of character or whatever. Just focus on shifts. So again, the rule still stands. For me, a shift is gonna be if there is a minimum of two breaks. Come right here. Okay, there was one break. Fantastic. Then I'm gonna wait for a second break so I can then confirm my trend, and then from there on I can start to place trades so I can then take the prices higher. Okay. So, just to make things very simple, I'm just going to go and show you to the chart and how it looks like. It works for stocks, crypto, forex, whatever. Most probably, a lot of you are going to use this for forex. So you can see. Let's start with the euro US dollar. Okay, it works on any chart, like because the market is fractal. It's all the same. Pretty much, if you start to focus on the chart right here, you can see that the price has been going down, and this is when a lot of you again are going to say this is a break of BOS. Okay, break of structure. For me, I just call it shift, then another break here, another break here, once again a break there, and then when this happened right here, people start to put right, change of character, right, but not good, because you don't know if this is only one break and just the price will want probably just continue to deliver lower. Change of character, well, this is coming from an intermediate guy. You minimum need two breaks. Okay, now one break. Forget what people are telling you. Me need minimum two breaks. So we got the one break, second break. Then you can call it change of character right here. Then you can see we already like shifted the character. Then it started to shift a little bit lower once again. So it's all over the place. This is why I really don't want to call this like just separate both like break of structure and change of character. Simply just call them shift. Okay, we shifted here. There was a break or shift. Then once again there was a break right here, came from some of these lows right here. Then it was we have a break lower. What does make sense from a higher time frame perspective? Should we take it higher or lower? You obviously look at the higher time frame. For me, this looks quite bearish, but yeah, pretty much. Then you can go to the daily chart. Obviously, it's fractal. You have break right here. Just look at the left to see where you are. It came from this. This was a beautiful example. And now it starts to continue to deliver higher. But more likely than not, we're going to continue to deliver with these higher highs. And kind of expecting the liquidity high to get cleared here. So again, forget about change of character. And maybe I have shifted your mind. Even if I didn't, just a little tip. If you still want to call it change of character, do so. But this is when the price actually shifts from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. And most importantly, you need two breaks. Forget all the nonsense of talking about one break or whatever. Two breaks minimum. Okay. So hopefully that made sense. And like the video if you found any value. And I will see you in the next one.